Good morning to all viewers and subscribers to my channel. This is G Makina updating some of life event. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to North, somewhere in North, like maybe I think Baguio or anywhere, defense. So now, that's why I decided to, to film this adventure. I'm going to Robinson's Mall Imus branch here at Cavite because I heard some news before na I think recent days, so maybe 4 days ago, na yung Easy Trip at AutoSwift mo na RFID, pwede mo na siyang emerge as to one account. So now, since wala pa akong nabalitaan how it works, paano siya gawin, so that's why I'm going to Robinson's Mall Imus to know how to, paano ito gawin. So, i-video natin paano siya i-process para matulungan din natin yung mga iba nating kababayan na gustong maayos yung kanilang RFID, Merchant One. So now, what I'm going to do, maliligo muna ako. So kung napapanood nyo tong video na to, definitely, or panigurado na sa expressway na ako kumakain. So siguro mag-live tayo pagka nandun na tayo sa expressway. Siguro doon na lang ako kakain, Nag-almusal na din naman ako. So, mga ka-G, what's up? Good morning ulit sa inyo. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, subscribe na kayo sa channel ko, okay? And then, update ko kayo later, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye. Alright, another thing mga ka-G. Since RFID ang ayusin natin, nakita nyo naman yung RFID natin dito is isa lang, which is Easy Trip. And so, since RFID gagamitin natin ang ating Ninja ZX4RR. Okay? So, update ko kayo. Magla-live ako mamaya pagdating dun sa expressway. Okay? See you soon, mga ka-G Makima. Thank you so much sa support nyo. Bye-bye. See you soon.